Okay, so we have number 3 here. It says the graph of an equation with negative discriminant always has which characteristics? So number 3. So it has negative discriminant. Let me rewrite that here. Discriminant has what characteristic? So when we're talking about the negative discriminant, we're talking about this is b squared minus 4ac, right? B squared, remember our quadratic formula is x equals plus or minus b square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, right? The thing in the square root here is this here is called the discriminant here. And basically it tells us the nature of our roots here, the nature of our roots. So discriminant talks about whether we have real roots or complex roots. So let me write that out. Discriminant tells us if we have real or complex roots. So in this case here, if we have a negative discriminant here, if we're trying to square root a negative number, in that case we're trying to square root, like if my discriminant here is negative, right? Which means we can say it's negative 1. Let's say our discriminant here was negative 1. So therefore I'm taking the square root of negative 1, which will give us I, which is a complex number here. I here is a complex number. Therefore, we don't have any real roots in the real plane. So you can say that in this case it's actually this here is option D is the correct answer, because negative discriminants just mean that negative discriminants means presence of complex roots. So which means there are no real roots. No real roots. So there's no x-intercepts, or no real x-intercepts here. No x-intercepts here. There's something in the complex plane, but not in the real plane. Don't worry about complex numbers. That's like much more higher level math. But basically, it's just saying that there are no real roots in this case, which means option D here is the correct answer. So you get imaginary roots, like stated here. Therefore, no x-intercept. Great solution. And analysis here. So the solution here is correct.